All right, this week in Hello Dr. Dan, we started looking at the topic of recursion. So we started with the project creation and slides, which was basically just getting the project up and running and equipped so we could start looking at how we can actually use the recursive. Um, so as Dr. Dan was saying, recursive is the more of like a data structures kind of thing. Is how we can break a problem up into smaller problems, or just a way that we can call its own self in its method. So it's a method that can call itself with a base case and then the other case that would actually call itself. So we started with the overview of just how recursion works and why we use it, what the how it works in the stack and what can cause that in a stack overflow if it's calling a lot of itself. We looked at a few examples, recursive power example, and as he explained, we could use all these using for loops or different ways, but we use these as just an example of an intro to recursion. For the power example, we calculated a power with a power value and then a base number. The factorial, we created a factorial of whatever number using calling itself for how many times. And then the Fibonacci was creating the first so many Fibonacci numbers, and that would just call itself in the Fibonacci sequence. So, and then lesson two overview for you. And recursive binary search example, we had this hard-coded array here of these numbers, and then we were looking to find what number after, and then we would mention how many recursive calls it would take. So, and that's basically splitting the problem into half, and it goes a lot faster than if we were to search through every single index of this array. So we would input a number, and then it would say if we found it after how many calls, or max times that it would do it is 4, and if it doesn't find it after 4, then it's not in the array. So yeah, that's what we did this week in Hello Dr. Dan, a lot of recursion.